Morning guys, so it's time to explain what all of the fuss has been about. Um, the event is happening tonight, and it is a Masonic ball. So my mum's partner Merrick is very high up in the local Anglo-Scottish Lodge, which is the Masonic Lodge here in Northamptonshire. Once a year they have a ladies' night where they invite women into the lodge for a dinner, a banquet. So tonight is that night, and it's a particularly special event because Merrick is taking the chair. So each year a new Mason is voted into the leadership role for the lodge for the year, and this year it's Merrick. I think the last time he did it was about 10 years ago, and so it only happens once in a very long time. So we're going to get very dressed up and go and drink lots and eat lots and celebrate. So yeah, I'll take you along. So the first thing that we're doing this morning is we're going to head down to the Masonic Hall to help to set things up and to lay out the tables and decide where everybody's sitting, and yeah, just get a feel for everything. So tonight's ladies' night is being organised by my mum, as it's traditionally the wife or partner of the Mason taking the chair who runs the ladies' night. So my mum's put a huge amount of effort into this, as you'll see. And my auntie Patsy has come to help with the flowers, and she's come from Wales. And my auntie Helen's also come to visit, and she's come from London. There's glitter all over the table.
I know.
There we are, all done, ready to go.
Beautiful.
Squeezing close.
Alright, so with 4 generations.
Okay, and lots of smiles, please.
Right, you gotta smile nicely.
Gorgonzola.
Hello. How's it going? I gather you're going to pipe them in.
Yes, I'm going to.
That would be good. Are we nearly there, Mum? Thank you.
When our ladies are getting ready to go out to a do, these words of wisdom I would like to offer you. 6 dresses and 7 pairs of shoes. Us men are dressed and ready. They don't know what to choose. Glancing at our watches and thinking what to say. To stop another change of dress before we're on our way. Darling, I must tell you, the time is 5:30. The reception is at 6 o'clock. We still have miles to drive. Our shirt and socks and dinner suit were ready in our sight when we began preparing ourselves for this, our ladies' night. Help with ties and cufflinks, brushing off the fluff. Us gents were dressed and ready, and she's still in the buff. Eventually, they're done, a vision to behold. I will say it's worth the wait, if I may be so bold. With nails, hair and makeup fixed, and shoes upon her feet, with a gorgeous dress and perfume, her ritual is complete. So before I take my chair, my lady's toast complete. There is a message from us men to the ladies I must repeat. To the loved ones who are here today, be they sweethearts, friends or wives, thank you from us gentlemen for lighting up our lives. With your love, tenderness in everything you do, we know just how blessed we are for ladies such as you. And next time we are waiting for your lady to get dressed, we'll think of all that you have done for us to make us look our best. To brethren and good gentlemen, let's drink a bumper toast to the ladies to your left and right, and those you love most. The toast is the ladies. I'll give you Brother John.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and brethren. It's my honour to sing the ladies' song For those of you that don't know, there's 3 verses and 3 choruses, but the choruses are sung twice. So if you will allow me to sing each verse and chorus, and then you can come in with all the volume that you can for the second chorus. Thank you very much. Ladies from the east and west, we have done our very best to ensure your welcome here, bright, fraternal, and sincere. Warm Masonic hearts to meet you, hands of fellowship to greet you. May our welcome here today cheer each lady on their way. Brethren, warm Masonic hearts to greet you, hands of fellowship to meet you. May our welcome here today cheer each lady on their way. We all recognize your worth, our best friends upon this earth. For whatever be our lot, rich or poor, it matters not. Warm Masonic hearts to greet you, hands of fellowship to meet you. May our welcome here today cheer each lady on their way. Warm Masonic hearts to greet you, hands of fellowship to greet you. May our welcome here today cheer each lady on their way. When on earth we say adieu, may our love remain with you. And may we renew that love in a grander lodge above. Warm Masonic hearts to meet you, hands of fellowship to greet you. May our welcome here today cheer each lady on her way. Warm Masonic hearts to greet you, hands of fellowship to greet you. May our welcome here today cheer each lady on the way.
I last stood here in 2011. Well, not here exactly. We were at St. George's Avenue on that occasion. I remember commenting on the distance travelled by our guests to be with us on that evening. The furthest on that occasion was our friends from Ippenbüren in Germany, approximately 450 miles. Tonight we have a new record, as our daughter Marion has joined us from Kigali in Rwanda, Central Africa, travelling a distance of over 6,000 miles to be with us this evening. Whether you have travelled a long or short distance from London, South Wales, Northampton, Lubingham, or Guilsborough, we are delighted you could join us. A lot has happened since 2011. We have seen the best of times and the worst of times. We have lived through COVID, losing loved ones, close friends, and for a while, we forgot how to hug each other. And then when we thought we would start getting back to some form of our previous normality, we were hit by the impact of the war in Ukraine. on our economy, which has had a devastating effect on so many people. And this is where Masonry has a significant role to play. They raise huge amounts of money for charity. Wherever there is a disaster or help needed, they are among the first to contribute. Locally, they support the homeless and the hungry through their contributions to the 3 Pillars and the Hope Centre. Closer to home, Masons support each other and their families. When the Worshipful Master Merrick was seriously ill in 2021, by seriously ill, I mean intensive care for 4 weeks, 2 of which he was in a coma, I valued the support and offers of help from Masons in his and other lodges. Knowing that they were there if I needed them was an invaluable support during that difficult time. Then, when Merrick came home from hospital, Graham Nobbs appeared with a gift from the lodge to aid his recovery. Flowers and whiskey for us to share. We did share them. Merrick loved the flowers, and I thoroughly enjoyed the whiskey.
Cheers, Jules. Well done.
Carnage to it. Carnage.